Hey, this is Tosh from Califonia Design Firm, and here today we're going to show you another product we're selling here out of our shop located in Downtown Pomona called Califonia Design Firm. So one of the supplies that we're selling is, again, some additional accessories for you photographers out there. What I have in here is basically a waist harness for your cameras. It's very, very easy to do, especially for photographers that are doing a lot of gigs. You might be using multiple cameras. You might be going to a trade show or an event, and you're kind of tired of getting, throwing your camera over your shoulder and putting that weight down. What you're able to do with this is actually just go ahead and you feed your belt through these two holes here. Fortunately, I don't have a pants with belt on, with belt loops today to give you an example of it. But again, you run your belt through this, behind this here, continue going through your pants like regular. And then what you do is that this product comes with a little ball which goes down to the bottom of your tripod. So basically, a lot of times you have, almost all cameras now have basically like a universal tripod hole on them. It'd be very rare for you to hit one that doesn't fit in unless it's a really, really old camera. So what you do is you take this little ball, and at the bottom of your camera, so I have a 6D Mark II, which is a pretty heavy camera, and then I have a 24 to 105 lens on there. So there's a pretty good amount of weight, and I've been using this product myself actually for about 6 months, and I've had really good luck with it. So now you have your ball on there. Now you can imagine that you basically put this down onto your belt loop, and once this is on your belt, this camera basically comes and clicks in and hangs on your side. So basically, it's not obstructed. This holds a lot of weight. You can kind of jump up and down. I've had to, go downstairs before. It does have a little metal bracing at the bottom, so it kind of reinforces it. The actual ball attachment for your tripod is metal as well. So it makes it very easy to feel comfortable. Now it does have a safety mechanism to take it out. Basically, it does not just pop out. So of course, the good thing is that there is a long lead all the way into here. So this groove gives it a little bit of travel time for it to actually all the way pop out. But in order to release your camera, you basically pull up on this lever, which allows you to slide your camera out of there. So again, it clips in. It's secured, you're locked in. You want to take it out, flip your thing up, and pull it out of there. And so again, it makes it very useful for when you're just constantly taking out, putting it away. If you're somebody that's going to be using both a GoPro plus a DSLR camera, it makes it easy for you to be able to swap between the two, and especially those folks that do event photography. You often might be running on two cameras, and when you're running on two cameras, being able to have something on your side that you can easily switch back and forth to makes it very easy. So again, this is a side strap, or I guess a waist strap, better known as a holster, a camera waist holster. You can find this here at our California Design Shop in Downtown Pomona. These go for $15, and hopefully you come by and check one out and add it to your accessory list. Again, hopefully you like our videos, give us some love, share it, and if you can, come by the shop and check out all of our other toys. Appreciate it.